Okay folks, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to work with this today. I did put it on my Facebook group to see if anybody could guess what I was going to do. So this is going to be a Try It Tuesday. I've done this before, I just haven't got any left. So I thought I would use this to make some flowers. Maybe not that one, I'm not sure. I'll see about that one. But these are the two main ones that I use. And they are by Tim Holtz, you know, some of his older things. Just as 5 dies, but oh, there it is. There we go. 664 164. Okay, that's that one. I'll put that back in a minute. I'm getting them out anyway. So, and this one is. I've got some of the massive ones as well, like the big dies. 664 163. Okay, but these all work beautifully. So I'm gonna go ahead and die cut as many as I can. If I get any little bits, I might do some butterflies, and then I'm gonna heat emboss them. So it's only be a quick one today because, you know, I won't make you watch every one I heat emboss, but it's quite interesting, the finished result. I might even try a couple with a bit of resin just to see what happens. So we'll go from there and see what happens. So I'll go and cut a load out and then we'll go from there. Right, so I've cut a few out. I've already done some. Sorry if you can see this. It's just I'm trying to diffuse the light. I cannot get any more light out of this area. So I thought that might help with the sunlight there. So I've got a few here. Right. What to do if there's some bits that don't turn out right, then you get some pens or like your distress these ones, and just all I would do is just put a bit on and then rub it in, you know, if you want a bit more colour like that. I quite like the way these are looking, so I'm going to leave them alone. This butterfly here is a little bit sort of dull. These will turn out beautiful, so I'm okay with those. They're no trouble at all. I might add a bit of colour to this one perhaps. Just a bit of blue or something. Oh, what have I got here? I've got this out. A bit green. Okay, that's fine. That's all you have to do. It's amazing what they look like when they're done. Okay, and then I go along. I do a few at once. Let's get that. Put them in here. Okay, I'll do the flower first. Oh no, I'll do the butterfly first. So I do this, and then I've got my piece of paper folded over with some in there. I do tap it off, so not like that, and I'll just do them all together. Okay. Okay, that is vintage beeswax from Seth Apter. Don't need to be that any clear embossing powder. This one's quite thick, so I don't have to do it too many times, but sometimes when it's finer you have to just layer it a couple of times, which I will do a couple of times to show you, but some of it you can get away with it, especially with this sort. You don't need to, you know, if they look a little bit sort of bobbly, I say, something like that, like pitty, then usually you do it again. So like I say, I'm just doing it and then rubbing it in. Can flick it over as well, but that's fine. That's it. So let's get them in. Okay. What you normally do is put that down and then over. So save me keep putting it back in the pot. I just rub it in. Do quite a few like this quite quick, so I can get quite a few done like this. Okay, and I leave that there but shut, yeah, or else it blows away. And if I need to go back into it, I can. I'll show you with the butterfly first. Let's do this with gum. There's probably a pair of tweezers. Okay, now it's hard to show you because of the angle. I'll try and get it. Leave it heat up a bit. Okay, I will go back in here. I'm going to do it once more because that wasn't very good. Put it in. There we go, that's better. Let's get the fluff off. Okay, and then sometimes I would just let go of that. Let it cool down first. Okay, and then I'll do that bit that's missed. Yep. Bit hot. Okay. Same with these. You know, these, you can see, I don't need to do again really, they look fine. Okay. That was beautiful. I've missed a bit just on that tip there. So I'll show a bit more on like that. And this one, because there was no ink on there at all, so there we go. I've also got a little bit with no ink here, you see, so I missed it. But you can soon tell. and it's fine to do this, you know, go back in and do this, no trouble at all. All right. Oh, put some powder on there. Okay, you'll soon see because it's flat, it's not shiny. That's those done. Tip that back in. And I will clean up and we'll see the end result of all the other ones I've done as well. But that's what I do for everything, and it is quite quick. So okay, so those ones are all done. They're beautiful, I must say. So that's the Baked Texture Seth Apter Vintage Beeswax. Okay, this actually, I think it comes from America. There is somewhere that you can get it from in the UK. I'll post the links on that below, but America should be easier to get it. And that's the Versamark. Okay, I use that. And Tim Holt's got one as well. You know, there's all different companies, but I've just always used that one and I like it. So okay, that's that. And then I'll put the ones that you saw me do up closer so you can see, away from the sun. Okay, now it's just out of that sheet that had all sorts on it. Yeah. And then these are the ones I've done as well, all out of that one sheet. Okay, then I mean they're not fragile. No, I don't know why I was so careful then. I keep them in a photo album. Some people will know that. This one's quite a big one actually, but you can get smaller ones. Okay, and I put them between the pages. Don't think I've got many left in here. It's actually done. No, they're not done. None of these are done yet. No. So I had some butterflies. These are for other things. So, no, they're not done either. So, no, they're just plain. Oh, yeah, some of these are done. Okay, these were done out of just collage sheets. And they turned out really good too. I was really pleased with those. Okay, I don't think I'll get them all in there, so I shall put them in. Run out of room. Hopefully I'll be using some of these because they're quite summery, aren't they? I do want to. That one's beautiful. Okay. I think they're done, but they're more autumny. Okay. So yes, that was a quick one because I've done a bit of the work, you know, in the background. So, but like I say, I do want to try and keep these Try It Tuesdays quite short, you know, sort of half an hour, just little things, because I do a lot of other things as well, don't I? So, okay, well, thank you very much, everybody, for watching, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.